Are you the manufacturers, power industries leaders, and energy industries leaders? Are you looking to improve the efficiency, reliability, and safety of your electrical substations in your industries?
Welcome to Reliserv Solution, your one-stop solution for substation automation.
We are the trusted and award-winning Siemens authorized channel partner with 15+ years of experience, with 100+ highly skilled and dedicated staff situated in Mumbai. As the manufacturers and industry leaders in the power and energy industries, staying ahead of new technology is crucial to your success. That's why we offer a comprehensive substation automation solution using cutting-edge Siemens products. In today's ever-evolving industries such as power industries, manufacturing, oil and gas industries, renewable energy sectors, smart cities, transportation sectors, data centers, and all industries where there is always need of electrical safety, aging infrastructure, increasing energy demand, need of real-time monitoring and control, stable electrical power supply to ensure continuous production is more crucial than ever. Our services include using advanced hardware such as Siemens protection relays, Ethernet switches 𝐢𝐻𝐼𝐜, and 𝐤𝐻𝐼𝐜, along with software like 𝐤𝐼𝐜𝐼𝐜 and 𝐷𝐿𝐼 to optimize substation automation. Our team of professionals is dedicated to understanding your specific needs and delivering customized solutions that enhance the overall performance and productivity of your operations. Reliserv Solution executed 25+ substation automation projects among the various industries pan-India. Also, we offer post-warranty support service, which is the best thing for you. We have expertise in using Siemens technology. We can help manufacturers and power industry owners increase efficiency, reliability, and safety in their electrical substations. We helped 500+ satisfied customers from various industries. Best part of Reliserv Solution is we have our own warehousing and manufacturing setup, and we have expertise in execution of complicated projects faster with on-time delivery. Let our expert team at Substation Automation Solutions, in partnership with Siemens Technology, take your substations to the next level in terms of efficiency, reliability, and safety. Thank you for watching. For inquiries, don't hesitate to contact our expert team.